If you're looking for an all-in-one AI image generator or photo editor, then look no further because Visual GPT has all that you need. And what I really love is the integration of Nano Banana. I can do so much. I can edit so much. I can create so much with this all-in-one AI platform here. And all you have to do, guys, is head over to Visual GPT and you can try it out for free, right? I have an account and so I'm going to sign into my account and I'll be able to show you how that works. So head over to Visual GPT and in my case, I'm going to just simply click my profile in the lower right and I'm going to continue with my email address real quick and sign right in. And one of the features that I'm going to quickly show you how to use is just to how to use the AI image editor. So as I'm going to show you some of the cool AI tools that you have right here. So you have an AI image editor, an AI image generator, an AI photo studio, closed changer, you have room designer, and you have photo to sketch, you have a AI action figure, and you have background remover and so much more upscaling, room planner. Guys, the list goes on. So I'm going to scroll down here so that you can see some of the tools that they have right here and you can try that for free. So just head over to the website and simple scroll down and you'll find a ton of different tools, loads of different tools that you can literally try out. And so guys, if you also want to learn how to use these different tools, let's say you're not ready yet to purchase a subscription and you want to try it out for free, hit that subscribe button because I'm going to go through all of these tools and show you what they're capable of, the quality of these tools. And so you will be able to decide at a later point in time if you want to, let's say, purchase a subscription or not. Right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply start by using one of those tools here as an example in this video. Let's work with the AI image editor. I'm going to quickly click on this and you can just use prompts to get whatever you want. You can even upload your image. And guys, I'm telling you, Nano Banana here, the model, it's insane. And so here with this section here, you do a 3D model, a sketch to photo. You can do product poster, pose editing, and even clothes changer, right? How cool is that? No, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly upload and just choose an image of myself. Let's choose this one. And let's say I'm thinking what I'm gonna do. I'm just doing this in real time so that you can see. What about I just say change my shirt to, let's say I'm wearing a polo shirt, for example. I can say a black polo shirt. And I'm gonna just change the aspect ratio right here. Let's put it to 4:5 and just click generate. And it's super fast. As this says within 20 to 40 seconds, it will generate your image. And you can see it's happening in real time there and it's absolutely fast. So I'm gonna see the quality of polo shirt that is gonna put me in. And I'm telling you, I've tested this out before with the different tools. It has done so much. It is amazing. Now have a look at this. Once it is generated, you can see your image on the left side and what it is generated for you on that side. And you can kind of like drag it to the right to see your original image or drag it to the left to see what it does. And I'm going to quickly do that. The body's drag it all the way and click continue editing. Now have a look at this, guys. Look how cool is that? And I want to tell you something secret. If you even want to generate yourself wearing a specific type of clothes or a specific brand of clothes, whatever it is, you could even generate that. It's amazing to know what this tool can do, right? But have a look how my image looks with me in the polo shirt. And so once you're satisfied, all you have to do, guys, is just simply click and download on the upper right and choose if you want PNG or JPEG. I'm going to just choose the JPEG right here or JPG and download my image. And as you can see, I know of my image on my PC. How cool is that? And that's how easy it is. So as I said, if you want to learn more about how this tool works, other tools that is inside the Visual GPT, hit that subscribe button so that you can learn more when I release more videos just like this one showing you how to use various type of tools. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.